Hello everyone, so I'm going to get ready for my flight. So it's 6:12 in the morning and I've just woken up, freshened up and took my shower, and now I'm going to put on my uniform and do my makeup and hair, and keep watching. Hello everyone, so I have put on my uniform with my name here. It's a beautiful dress. It's a two-piece dress, beautiful color, comes with skirt and a blouse with your name badge attached here. So my reporting time is 10:25. I still have around 4 hours, but we have to report to the aircraft 1.5 hours prior. So let's quickly get started. Firstly, I always do my makeup, then my hair, and then I do the final check of my uniform, my shoes, my slippers, my makeup and hair. I do a final check, and before heading out I'll just quickly take a blush or a compact, just dab any of the sweat or oil on my face because my face is a bit oily, and then I'm good for the flight. So let's get started. I am going to do my makeup first. So before that, I'm going to put some moisturizer first. It's very important to moisturize your face because I'm a bit on the darker tone, so I'm not going to put like a high tone foundation and put my face as very fair. I'll just stick to my tone and use my color foundation. So after applying moisturizer, I'm going to put the primer. Okay, so this one primer I'm using, the Swiss Beauty. You can use any primer which is according to your face type. Make sure it suits your skin, and cover the neck also. Primer I put. Now I'm going to use the foundation. So just sticking to my tone, I'm just going to use this much product. I'm going to use the concealer. Just dabbing it with a beauty blender. Concealer again because I have a dark circles, maybe because of sleep, because of my pattern. So it's very important to cover. So this is my face is already prepared with the foundation and concealer. So I'm just quickly going to dab everything and just put the compact and start doing my eye makeup now. So everyone, my eye makeup is done a bit. I don't want to overdo it since it's a morning flight, just because my face is looking very white and no makeup on. So just, I know it's looking a bit over now, but should be okay. Okay, so I've done my eye makeup and a bit of blush. I'm going to apply my lip color now, which is the red color. I think I use red color because it suits my skin tone and my face suddenly gets glow up just using one red lipstick. But I'm going to show you. What do you think? Glows up, right? So, told you. So now, since my face is a bit ready, I'm going to do my hair now. Sorry about the lighting, guys, a bit blur because the spotlight is just on my head, so it's looking a bit blur. So this is what I'm going to do. I put a pony here and leave a fringe over here, which will later I'm going to cover. So I'm not worrying about the extra hair which is coming out. Later I'm going to fix it. So my makeup is done, my hair is also done, and I'm just going to finish the look with my mascara. Okay, so it's done. Makeup is done, my hair is done, my uniform is all okay. If you have any questions related to this video as a cabin crew, or if you want to join International Airlines, please leave a comment and I will answer you as soon as I can. Until then, bye bye, safe flight always, and I love you. Bye bye.